Hello Monsters. Today we're going to take a look at lubing the primary and secondary chain. The first thing that we've done is we've gone ahead and blocked the back of it so the wheels spin freely. And what we're going to do, we're going to get our lube. You can see the chains here. And we're going to spray, put a rag underneath it. We're going to go ahead and lubricate our chain as we spin. Okay, and then we're going to get this one up here. Actually, I can get it from the top probably better. There we go. Wipe off any excess. That's nice and smooth. That'll work great. If you have any other questions or concerns about your Monster Moto Youth Go-Kart, please call us at 855-833-6483, or you can visit us on the web at monstermoto.com. You'll also find additional service videos and your closest service center. If you have any other questions about your Monster Moto product, please feel free to call us at our toll-free number, 855-833-6483, or visit us on the web at www.monstermoto.com, where you'll find various service videos and your closest authorized Monster Moto repair center.